It's a little janky right now. This is basically it. It's a little bit of the product showing. That's all right. You know, you don't want too much of the product showing. It's basically the back of it. The other side of it. You tarp down. You know, make sure it's tight and secured. You got it there. I've been here for about, you know, maybe an hour or two, but if you see right now, I'll try to get on the truck. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all a little something. Hey y'all, how you doing? Hopefully you guys made it this far in the video. I ain't gonna lie, I was supposed to show you guys a lot more footage, but due to my phone basically saying, you know, I need more to make more room for storage, wasn't able to show you guys like I was getting unloaded and stuff like that. It was pretty easy. All I did was take the tarp off, take the straps off, take the bungees off, and that pretty much was it. I'm empty now. I'll just sit here, wait until the morning time, and then they send me in the load. I'll pretty much show you probably the drive there to the place, and then go from there. But you know, it's my storage messed up, so I couldn't show you all of it. I would have showed you way more footage, but that's all I have for tonight. Appreciate you for watching and supporting this.